Omuzano gw'akamalirizo ogw'empaka za Mpalana Cup guzanirwa hace cya Kashenyishaka Division omuri Bushenyishaka Municipality aho timu y'abasigaze ya Ryanshana esingira ba Cyangando nagore emwe hari busha okusinga ekikopo empakeza z'orukubaho buri mwaka nizitebekanisa n'ekigendererwa cyo kutungura entaranta z'eminyeto kandi abasingire bahirwe birabo ebirimu za uniformu ekikopo hamwe n'embuzi
mushanju aho komra magwacho kakuri ko empowering youth kubiye idleness nalo mbikorwa bitari birungi ombwire obu ogwekiro kikuru.
Of course banentumbuka tugeza kutumura Kashenyi okugiye mu rurengo rw'ebetwiremu okuza mu rurengo rundi
omu makuru aganda obureberezi bwa Kinkizi butebekaniseho kwiruka okweserwa Kinkizi Run okwetabirwamo abaana b'abahereza b'amakanisa okuruga omu bureberezi obu okwiruka oku kugenderire kukwatiraho abaana b'abahereza abarukuremwa sente z'okubatwaraho amatendekero agahiguru nka za university kandi okwiruka oku kubire kwebembirwe Bishop Dan Zoreka.
This has been one of the most exciting moments or events in the Diocese of Kinkizi, especially seeing the children of all clergy coming together, young and old, male and female, married and not married. It was so exciting.
We are running for a noble cause, and that noble cause is to set up a fund that is going to be supporting the children of the clergy.
Association. We are so grateful to the Bishop and everyone who has supported us to make this day a colorful one.